The Southwest World Leader, APC. I can see local government council chairman. Boyega Risiaka is also here. The head of service of Ogun State, Mr. Kaide Onosoya, son of the soil, Mr. Dapo, the Chief Economic Advisor and Honorable Commissioner for Finance of Ogun State. Among other people, the Chairman of Waterside, Alaji Buda Shiva Dekule. Thank you for being there. Very pretty face, pretty woman. Don't mind me. Honorable Commissioner of the State Cabinet, Honorable all of them in the entourage of the state government. Thank you all. Thank you for being there. Very pretty face, pretty woman. Don't mind me. Honorable Commissioner of the State Cabinet, Honorable all of them in the entourage of the state government. Thank you all. Princess Pedro Shota Lucy, daughter of the soil, thank you for being here. Thank you very much. Mr. Dapo, the Chief Economic Advisor and Honorable Commissioner for Finance of the State, son of the soil, thank you for being here.
The most beautiful ones are born in the States.
Balogun class, Commissioner for Community Development in Ogun State. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Honorable Miya Adeleye, I cite you. Thank you for coming.
Distinguished ladies and gentlemen,
who will take the national anthem, Honorable Razak Dada, former chairman in the local government and special advisor to the governor. You are welcome, thank you. The national anthem.
we want to listen to the rendition of the
former governor of Bayelsa State. He's an Ijebu man. He traced his origin to Ijebu, and specifically, he belongs to the Fidipote. Thank you for being here. Thank you for coming back to your roots. Yes.
You are welcome, sir.
Once again, we're celebrating our iconic leader, the Oba, who has a high quantum of integrity, unparalleled integrity, can be on the throne for 64 years, from 2nd April 1960, it is still Oba Dayton. Before his ascension, there was rancor, there was trouble in the Ijebu land. But ever since he ascended the throne, there was peace. Hence his title, Obaba. Alaye
wondering where did you put my son?
Camera! Focus on the right person.